Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you very much for joining me at this time in this tutorial. So here I'm going to tell you how, with the help of simple Python code, you can send an SMS on your phone or on your mobile number. So that's the name of the library which you need to install for connecting your Python code with this website named Twilio. Right. So how you will do that, how you will install this package, simply you have to come on this command prompt, and here you can fire this command pip install twilio, right, and rest everything this command prompt will do for you. So it will take all the signatures, all the methods, all the things which are there in this library from the internet, and it will install this complete library on your device, whatever device you're using for learning Python, right? And after that, with the help of this simple command, you can import this thing called client present in this twilio.rest, right, in your code. So after importing this client, what you have to do, you have to create another file with name keys.py. So it is again a Python file in which you have to put all these four things. So the first thing that you need to put here is this account SID. Where are you going to get this SID from? Let me just help you with that. So you have to log in into your Twilio account. If you do not have any account on this Twilio named website, you can create one, and then here you will get to see this SID and the phone number you can use for sending the message. Fine. So these two things you can use over here. You can put a variable's name here like account underscore SID, and then you can copy this SID from here and you can simply put it inside single inverted commas over here like this. Similarly, this authentication token is also required, which you will get from this website, right? So when you will log in into this account of yours, you will get to see this authentication token also. So you can copy that token, you can put it here, the number through which you want to send the SMS, so that number you have to put here, and it will get generated automatically by this website for you, right? So I've received this number from this panel of mine, so I've used this number over here, and the one on which I will be sending the SMS, this is my number on which I will be sending the SMS, right? So that is what also you have to put over here in this keys.py file. Now once you're through with this thing, you can come over here. You can create another file in which you have to put this whole code, and make sure that both the files are there in the same folder, otherwise you will get an error. So import keys, you need to import this module which you have created here. So you can do it just by the help of this simple line of code. Then you can use this line of code for fetching the account ID and authentication token you have defined over here in this py file. That's the code with which you can send the message to this number through this Twilio number which that website has generated for you. Now we can change the message over here. So I would like to send something like this. Congrats on your work anniversary. Fine. May God give you lots of success. Fine. And then for getting the message printed over here in this console panel also, we can use this print command. Right. Now that is my mobile device. Fine, and I'm going to open the messenger in this. So right now there is no message from Twilio over here on my phone, as you can see. Let me just enlarge the screen size. I think, okay, maybe there is some issue with the filter I have applied. Let me just resolve that issue first. Just give me a very short moment. I didn't notice that actually. Yeah, now I think it is perfectly fine. You will be able to see the mobile device also. And I'm going to enlarge the size of this frame. So right now, as you can see, there is this HDFC message which is getting reflected right on the top over here. I'm going to now you come on this code and let's execute this code and see what is going to happen. So done with executing this code, it is running at present. Let's see whether we'll be able to receive any message or not. We'll have to wait for some time. So see, we just received a message, and let's see what do we have in this message. So this is what is getting reflected right now in the message. Sent from Twilio account. And okay, I think I haven't saved this message. I need to save it first. It is still, this is the message which is getting reflected right now. Let me just save the changes which I've made over here. Now I'm going to again go back and let me run this code again. Let's see whether we'll be able to receive this message or not. Yeah, I think we received this message. See, so it's written over here, the same message, which I just wrote in the coding panel. It's getting reflected here also. So it is, congrats on your work anniversary, may God give you a lots of success. So that is how you can use this amazing code for connecting your Python code with your for fetching, for using this website named Twilio and sending the SMSs free of cost to a mobile number, right? uh, if you want to learn to develop such applications, you can join my coding classes. The number is right below over there, right? I hope you all are able to see my number. So this is the number. You can contact me on my phone and book the classes, whatever you want to, whatever courses you want to take. Suppose you want to go with web development, you can take that from me. If you want to if you are looking for courses based on artificial intelligence, you can take that from me. There are a number of courses which I'm taking right now, and each and every course is going to give you a lot of experience, to be very honest with you, right? If you really want to understand these coding things practically, you want to develop applications using text-based coding of Python or Java or C++, you can take help from me. You can avail the coding classes, book the coding classes, be a part of my coding classes, and definitely you're not going to regret. You are going to take away many things from those coding classes which I will be providing you. So this is it from my side in this lecture. Hope you guys enjoyed this application. Hope you guys enjoyed this video also. Thank you very much for being a part of this video. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye all of you and take care.